What's up, y'all? I'm back. Okay, so I know y'all all seen the little video with the girl. I'm recording. So when I get the little Chinese lashes that come with the bundles that I order, for the most part, I throw them bitches in the trash, okay? And now since I've seen that video that girl put up, I don't really throw them in the trash anymore. I just do what she did, and I got a pretty good result. I'm a little satisfied. Okay. I got a little minks here. Ain't have to pay that much money for it because I just finessed. It's called DIY that lash.
What's that lash? DIY that lash. Got the DIY that lash. Hey, that lash. Hey, that lash.
And it looks just like the mink. And I'm going to show you all how to achieve this mink look. Okay? Stay tuned. Which one is the original and which one is the mink? You cannot tell, or can you tell? This one is the made mink and this one is the original. This one definitely looks more expensive than this one. And we got this look by just doing this. On the side it's even different. You see how that one raises? This one raises. This side,
I just like the sound of it.
Doesn't. It's flat as hell. No money, shorty. Spending this cheap money real quick, putting you onto some new shit, executing bitches tricks and doing it. This is bomb. Stop spending your money on those $1,000 lashes. I'm exaggerating. $30, $40 lashes, $20 lashes, $25 lashes. When you can get free dollar lashes for the price of a brush and a cheap lash.